dear students, this is your English grammar teacher here. Today I am going to start class 6 English grammar first chapter, and that is countable and uncountable nouns. First of all, what is countable nouns? Countable nouns are those nouns which we can count, so we call them count nouns. And uncountable nouns are those which we can't count, so we call them uncount noun. So my dear students, here are the exercise 1.1. Look at the question number first. Tick the nouns that you think are uncountables. You can tick those nouns which you think they are uncountable. First one is air. Air is uncountable noun because it is a gas form, so we can't count the gas. Second one is ice. Ice is also uncountable because it is in a liquid form. Third one is ink. Ink is also uncountable. Pin. Pin is countable because we can count them. Tea is uncountable. Dirt. Dirt is also uncountable. Soup. Soup is also in a liquid form. We can identify, we can count the container in the liquid form, but we can't count the liquid. Heap. Heap is also countables. Shop. Shop is countable nouns. Sand, uncountables. Truth, uncountables. Class, countables. We can count the classes. News, countable because it does not know how much news keeps going throughout the day. Book, countable. Dress, countable. Grass, uncountable. Artist, countable. Light, uncountable. Apple, countable. Music, uncountable. Butter, uncountable. Camel, countable. Smoke, uncountable. Poetry, uncountable. And cheese, uncountable. Now do these questions in your book. Question number second. Rewrite each sentence correctly. Here are some sentences which is wrong, so we can correct it well. First one is trees give us woods. In this sentence, woods is wrong because some sets of nouns are generally uncountables. So woods are substance which we can not count. So right one answer is trees give us wood, not woods. His father sells clothes. In this sentence, clothes is wrong. His father sells cloth. Third one is I like music very much. In this sentence, music is wrong because we use music also and very much also. So we put up the music, not musics. And the correct answer is I like music very much. Fourth one is we fill our pens with ink. I explained in the question number first. Inks. Ink is in a liquid form, so we can't count them. So we can write the right one answer. We fill our pens with ink, not inks. Fifth one is books are made of papers, and the right answer is books are made of paper. These jugs are full of waters. In this sentence, waters in a plural forms, it is a wrong way, and the correct answer is these jugs are full of water. Seventh, windows are made of glasses, and the right answer is windows are made of glass. Eighth one is this house is made of stones. This house is made of stone. Ninth, don't make noises in the class, and the right answer is don't make noise in the class. 10th, butter and cheeses comes from milks, and the right answer is butter and cheese come from milk, not milks. Here is the notes for you. Do these questions in your notebook. Thank you.